Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Apple ID credentials and unlocking the device. This prevents interruptions. Once done, make sure Face ID or Touch ID and the device passcode are active so changes save securely. If you use family sharing, check you have parental permissions. Otherwise, you cannot change a minor's birth date. Also sync time and update iOS to the latest release so the Apple ID menu shows the birthday fields. This avoids odd validation errors when you proceed. You tap Settings, then your name and choose Personal Info. This is where birthday lives. Enter the correct month, day, and year, then tap Done. You'll authenticate with Face ID or your passcode to confirm the change. If the field is grayed out, sign into Apple. Apple.com, edit personal info and save. Make sure you scroll to birthday and confirm via two-factor authentication. This ensures Apple recognizes your new age across Apple Pay and other services. You finish by restarting the device and opening Wallet so Apple Pay refreshes with the updated Apple ID age. If a payment card or Apple Cash needs re-verification, follow the on-screen bank prompts. Changes to age can trigger identity checks. If the birthday fails to update, check two-factor messages and re-authenticate at Apple.com. If problems persist, contact Apple support using your Apple ID. Have a government.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.